in simple terms, the tariffs, the constraints to trade between the two partners is not tariffs. It's other issues. It's non-tariff barriers that are more of the problems, logistical issues, congestions and the customs, and other non-tariff barriers. So, tariffs are not really, a huge constraint to trade between the two partners. So yes, tariffs can trigger trade expansion, but why not? It's now left for Africa to use it as a tool to stimulate structural transformation.